Welcome back once again. It's Arbitrage Genius. As shown in our last video,
for you to perform this
I
arbitrage,
mentioned
three
that
applications will be involved. The name of the first application is recharge.com, while the name of the second application is Binance, and the third will be revealed in the video later. So
I really appreciate you guys for your comments, like, and subscription. In fact, I'm really grateful. And for those that haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that now. So without taking your time, so let me proceed now to show you guys the third application. So I'm now in my Google Play Store. I believe a lot of people actually knows about this application, but you guys might not take note of that feature on the application. So the name of the application is Much Better. Is it right here? Much Better. So let me click on it. So this is the application right here. I have it installed on my phone, but the reason why you are seeing it installed right here is I actually is in a save folder. So let me go to my save folder to open up the application, and let's stay with me. Yes, so this is it right here. Is in my hidden application. That's why you are seeing install on Google Play Store. So now let me open it up. As you can see, it's opening up. Let me input my verification. Yes, so this is the application. So actually today's video won't be long. It's just to show you guys the name of the application. So, and as I mentioned in last video, it's very essential for you guys to verify your accounts before carrying out transaction on this platform. Not just this platform, any platform you want to use for transactions. Ensure you verify your account before you start making use of the application. So as you can see, I've been using this platform for a while. I see top up with Astropay, with Astropay. After I top up with Astropay, I will then withdraw with cryptocurrency. So, and as I mentioned, there are fees involved. The top up fee is always 6% when topping up with Astropay. Top up fee is 6% as shown right here. And for you guys to withdraw, there's always a fee of 2% also. There's also a fee of 2% for you to withdraw to crypto. You can also withdraw to bank and withdraw to Astropay, but it doesn't make sense depositing with Astropay when you have 6% already deducted and then withdrawing back to Astropay, having additional deduction of 3%. So it doesn't make sense. So the best option for you to carry out this arbitrage is just to withdraw to crypto. So with this option right here, you can sell at the black market rate at an higher rate. So that's it. It's just as simple as that. So for those that want to register on this platform, I'll drop the the invite link. I'll drop it in the description box. So I think that's all for now. So kindly stay with me and await the new video I will drop on how to create an account on OKX. So thank you once again, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that like button, and don't forget to share this video.